Welcome to Your Computer Wiz video channel. Thank you very much for joining us. Today on our how-to session, we're going to learn how to use Windows Live Movie Maker. To open it, just go to Start and then go all the programs and choose Windows Live Movie Maker. This is a new version, it's a better version. You can try it out online by downloading it, and it's pretty simple interface to use. We have different options like open project, close project, save project as, publish. Here's our main area and timeline. Here's the player, and we're just gonna go ahead and start putting the videos in. What's good about it that you can have the videos and photos at the same time, and while you're editing them you can play them in a small player that doesn't require any exporting or anything like that. So we have a video wildlife, and we want to add more. For example, if you have a video and a photos, you can all input them in one file. So it's very useful tool. So now we're gonna go ahead and input the pictures in as well. We just go to pictures library, choose the pictures appealing to you. For example, I like this Mitsubishi right there, and we're gonna add this Audi, and we're gonna add a couple more. You also can take a webcam video. For example, if you have a web camera, you can take a video or take pictures with it and input it as well in your video. Here we have subtitles that already came with the photo. We're just gonna remove them for now, and we have animations, lots of different animations just like that, transitions in between, so you can always choose them. Then we have visual effects, blur, contrast, everything like that, black and white, different kind of contrasts, and they're pretty useful, especially when you're working with a big video and you need to edit it. Really good. So there's lots more. I like the pixels one. It's pretty cool. Then also you can change the ratios of the screen, so make it HD so it was fitting your TV when you're watching it. Then for easier creation, we have different titles and subtitles built in already. So we're just gonna use this one for now, for example. I like it. And it asks us for music, so we choose a soundtrack to our movie, and it automatically cuts it for us, so we don't have to do any sound work at all. So for example, we're gonna call this movie Your Computer Wiz, and the next step we're going to do, we can drag it, we can change the color, change font, add transparency, do whatever we want with it. But for now we're just gonna make it really simple. So directed by Your Computer Wiz, of course. And the next thing, staring, is gonna be wild cars and animals. You can also adjust the way it appears on the screen. For example, it can slide out from the left, slide out from the right. It is pretty simple to use, and it creates real nice HD video. So for example, we don't want film on title, so we're just gonna remove it. So here's how our video looks like right now. It's with music, it has everything in it for exporting. So just take a final look, and it shows you the timeline right near the movie screen. It's our movie length is 1 minute 1 second, so it's very useful to know, especially when you make a presentation or something and you need to be right on time. So that's pretty useful as well. Basically, I like Windows Live for its communication. It's easy to use, easy to share with your friends, and it looks very professional, even though it was done like in, how much time did we spend? We spent like 3 minutes on it, working on it. Here we go, we have a professional movie. You just have an idea, explore, and then you have a great movie. So we have lots of publishing options and exporting options. So for example, we have SkyDrive, Facebook, YouTube, MSN Live. SkyDrive is pretty useful, and then also we have different settings for exporting. So for example, if you don't want to publish it anywhere, you want to just export it, you can export it. So for example, we're gonna go with 1080. This is like the best quality you can get in the world so far. And then also you can make your own custom designed setting for exporting. For example, if you want to make it specific size, so for example it would fit on your monitor without disturbing, so it's really useful. And then it's exporting because it's a big file. It takes a while to export it, but it's worthwhile doing it because the longer it takes, the better the video is producing. And for example, SkyDrive became very popular not too long ago, that you have 25 gigabytes of free storage online, just like your memory key or just like your external hard drive, for free, and you can always access this information on the internet. It's well protected and it's always there for you. Then Facebook, of course, everyone uses Facebook, YouTube, and MSN Live. So you can connect all your friends, all Facebook, everything in there, and share this video with them. Today we're not gonna take a look at that, but for next time we're gonna take a look at that for sure. And our movie is almost done, and it's showing the process right at the bottom. If you look at the taskbar, when the movie saving goes on, you can see it right here at the bottom. And it's very useful just to see, for example, if you're running more than one program in the background and you're waiting for things to be downloaded, for things to be completed. It's always easy to track what's happening right now with a new Windows 7 taskbar. So it's 95, 96, 97%, 98, 99, and it's completed. So now it just takes time to save it in your folder. It usually saves in My Movie, and it asks us to play it, or we just can close it. So here we go, we're watching HD right on all the screen. It's really comfortable, it's fun to watch, and then you can burn it on DVD and put it on your DVD player and play it on your TV, show it to your friends, show it to your family. So enjoy watching the movie, and thank you very much for joining us on Your Computer Wiz channel. If you're living in Sudbury and you require any computer help in software, hardware, networking, or you want to learn something new about your computer or programs, popular programs like Photoshop, Dreamweaver, stay tuned for Your Computer Wiz channel, or just call 562-5480 if you live in Sudbury, and we're going to be able to help you, help your business, to help your personal. Yeah, it's a fast, quick service, and it's good. Visit our website on www.yourcomputerwiz.ca.